Welcome to our channel, Stress Induced Left Eye Twitch. My name is Bo.
And I'm Jillian.
And today, back by popular demand. Nobody requested this, but our videos usually do really well on this.
Wish haul.
Baby girl edition.
Yes.
If you don't know our channel, I have a daughter. She is now almost 14 months. She's about the size of maybe a 7-month-old. No, she's kind of in this like.
No, I think you're right. I think she's the size.
But it's hard because she could fit in some clothes. Like some of her clothes actually are 12-month clothes, and others, like the thing she's wearing today, is a 6-month thing. So if you know Wish, which is what we're doing a Wish haul.
Yeah. If you guys are confused, tell them what Wish is.
Wish is just an online retailer that takes from a bunch of different sites in China, I'm pretty sure, and will ship.
I think all China.
So all of my things came from different, like in separate packages. Some of them I think are different retailers because I'll show you the tags, and then they all range on sizes, like so big.
Yeah.
And it's really cheap stuff, but they'll get you on
I haven't
shipping.
seen any of it.
Yeah, I wanted to keep it a surprise. So I got bigger sizes thinking that she can grow into them a little bit.
Yeah.
So I tried to not go too small. So a lot of this is all summer, except for 2 things are that she could wear in the fall into the winter.
Okay,
so,
let's get into it. What's the first item that you found?
We have boots.
So Bo paid $1.90 for these plus $3 shipping.
Now, I looked at these. I haven't really looked at any of this stuff.
This is what they look like on the site. I don't think they look exactly like that. The fur around it looks a little cheaper than in the picture.
Yeah, this looks like more like, because I wanted them to match my boots for, you know.
And this in the picture looks like it's going to be suede, but this is not suede.
Now the issue with these, which is my fault, my daughter's walking now, and these are not going to be great to walk in. Yeah, the winter. So they're cute fashion boots. She can wear.
But they're soft soles. So.
But I think they're pretty good quality looking.
Yeah.
Like if you guys look at the stitching and stuff, it all looks pretty good. This is just like a little bit of grippy to it, and then it's a Velcro clasp.
But they're definitely not like the picture.
Let's rate it like what you.
Okay, so 1's the best, 5's the worst.
5? What? Who? You use the same scale as Naya?
Yeah, I've always done that.
One is the Naya, another thing. I think that all my friends. The most annoying thing is when people say 1 is the best.
Crazy.
You guys insane. Okay, we're gonna do.
I'm always like number 1.
Let's do
in the world.
Quality,
is like the best.
Quality, and then how much it looks like the picture. Those will be our 2. Quality, I think it looks like a 3 out of 5, and I think 5 is the best.
1 is the worst.
5 is the best. 5 stars, 1 star. Okay.
Number 1.
What would you think quality wise?
I'm not even sure what kind of fabric this is, but the stitching's pretty nice considering I've seen a lot worse on Wish. So I'll give it 3.5 out of 5.
3.5 out of 5 stars.
On Bo's weird scale.
The picture reference, I would give it like a 2.5.
Yeah, doesn't look like the picture to me. I mean, like, in general it does, but the fur is different. The actual material of the boot is different.
Okay, next up, we're going to do a romper. Yeah.
Okay, so Bo paid $5.70 for this romper, and shipping was $5. Shipping with Wish will get ya. I will put things back out of my cart if
Okay, so just a disclaimer, I had like 20 things in my cart, and it was like over $100-something with shipping, and I did take so much out. Doesn't it look so different?
It looks so different. Well, the colors in this picture are like under a filter or something.
Yeah.
This is like washed out watercolor. It doesn't even look
that bad in there, but it's like this is her aesthetic. This is a lot. You guys can't even like see.
I already showed them.
Okay, but here it's focused.
I showed them focused.
And then this just looks like it's cute. It just
I wonder if this will even fit Faye until she's 3.
I don't know. I think it would fit her maybe. It just looks really wide. Look how wide it looks.
It's like
it would fit me.
No,
it's a shirt.
That's gonna fit Bubba.
Should we give it to Bella?
No.
I think it's weird. I say quality, it's like a 2.
It's
see-through.
so see-through. So see-through.
The stitching's not too bad
It might be fun for like a beach outfit.
I wanted it. It does have snaps. Let's see.
Yeah. Is that bad?
I swear, my child. Oh my gosh. I think that it's a 2.
I think 1 out of 5 I would give it.
For quality.
For quality, probably maybe a 2.
Picture wise, does it look like the
Oh,
picture?
hi, queens. I thought I would just say hi.
That's our mom. Mom's joined our video. What did you think of? Does it look like the picture?
No. Well,
It doesn't,
I mean,
the color-wise doesn't.
yeah. No, it looks like in the picture it would be way better quality.
And it looks so much cuter in the picture.
Let's move on to the next
I
one.
didn't give it. I say it looks like the picture a 1. No, 2. I think it's a 2.
Whoa, the cat.
Okay. Next up, which one do I need?
I gotta find it now.
Bea was up.
Nope, not that one. Did you order that one twice?
No.
This one, Bo.
Okay. So this is another fall winter one.
This was, she bought it for $4 with $5 shipping.
I see that's not worth it. $9 for
For
this.
one onesie.
But the quality of this is a lot higher than the other one.
She and I are going to have the same shirt.
And it comes off a lot more pink in there, but this is more mauve-y, like ballet pink.
I like this one.
Yeah.
I like this
The
color
quality
a lot.
of this is really nice.
It's really pretty. I like the gold buttons.
She'll look good in it. We'll match her
It's
glasses.
so cute. I love that one. I mean,
Quality,
not worth $9.
I get a 4
but
out of 5, and looks like the picture. I think it's a 5.
yeah, I think it looks just like the picture.
Good job.
All right, next one.
It's really not this color though. Look how it's coming off. It's like a little more pinky.
I don't know what the...
Look how cute this would be together with leggings.
So cute.
So cute.
Or her tights.
Yeah. Well, yeah, she only wears
So,
this. Okay. So these just came yesterday. These are
Mom,
just
if you're gonna be over there, be quiet.
these are just thigh highs.
I'm going to kill them.
Okay, so Bo paid free for this
Yeah,
with
so I wanted
$3 shipping.
They're still not even worth 3. I mean, they're socks.
They're cute.
They're really nice quality, I feel like.
They're so cute. I like them a lot.
But I think the issue is going to be, I'm gonna
the
open it for you
tops
guys
of
to
these
see.
socks look a little bit different than in the picture.
They're a little bit more like,
These look frillier. And then in
But-
that one, oh no, they look okay. I love that.
but she doesn't have super long legs, and she's kind of got a little bit of chunk on her thighs, so this is not gonna fit over her thigh.
I want to see.
It's gonna have to be like
Isn't that stretchy?
not really.
I want to try them
It
on
might,
her.
shoot. I think quality wise, it's a 4 out of 5. Looks like the picture 5 out of 5. Okay, this is a whole deal.
Oh, you want me to show them the
Yeah,
picture?
show them the picture.
Okay, Bo ordered these for $2.
And I'm pretty sure I ordered, did I order pink?
Yeah, pink, 12 to 18 months. You spent $2 plus $3 shipping.
But they sent me 2 pairs, so now I
Oh.
have 2 of these exact same shoes.
Oh,
Well,
weird.
you should gift them to someone.
I tried them on her. She liked them. She goes and grabs these.
These are so cute.
They're very like diva-esque.
Oh my
But
god.
look at them.
Oh well. It's not all over. I'm doing it right here.
They
and
have a
it's
little
not
bit of
doing it.
grippy, and these fit her pretty well right even
These
now.
can be her slippers for bed. I love them.
Yeah, they're cute.
She likes
So
them
I
a
got
lot.
2 of these pairs. I don't remember ordering
I feel like
2
those are
pairs.
pretty good quality.
Quality, I would
Yes!
say a 3 out of 5.
No!
And it looks like the picture 5 out of
Compared
5.
to what we get off of Wish, I've done 1,000 Wish purchases.
I knew what I was getting
This
into when I
stuff is
ordered.
better than any of
Is
the
this
stuff
Wish?
I've ever
This is
bought
all
before.
Wish.
Not bad.
Okay, next up.
Okay, the next one.
I cannot believe that child is that.
This one.
Okay.
So
this-
Bo paid $3.80 for this plus $5 shipping.
I
Maybe
love.
long.
So I think this is. I got 1 and 2-year-old. so that she could grow into it. But it looks like it will fit her next year.
Oh, it's so cute.
It is, and it like flares out a little bit.
I love it.
The
Wow.
picture set, like I'll get her white little pennies.
Can she get that purse too?
Good quality. This actually has a tag on it. So this is what I mean when it's like different vendor or like retailers.
Yeah.
But it's good quality.
Yeah, I think it seems cute. I
soft.
love it.
So 5 out of 5 I'd say, and looks like the picture 5 out of 5.
I can't believe that you
It's
are
really
finding
stretchy.
such good
It's not
pairs
like
right now.
It's not like this material. This one had more of like it's just that material.
Yeah, it's just like a box sewn together. I could make that.
But like this isn't even see-through.
Wow, I'm impressed.
I wish I had.
What was the price of this one?
I can't remember.
She can wear this with that too.
This one now, Bo.
All right.
That looks like Rain Disick.
This one is super cute. Can you show them the picture?
So Bo paid $4 for this with $5 shipping.
This is probably the most janky one.
In size 1/1.5 years.
Yeah.
This is the picture for it. That literally looks like Rain Disick or Rain Kardashian, whatever his
sheer.
last name is.
It's very sheer. It does have like the cinch back on it, and then it halters up. But look how like.
Oh, it's very see-through.
And there's no cinch bottom. I want it to be cinch bottom.
Yeah,
so
that
you
would
can,
be cuter.
Pull up their legs. So that's
Maybe
really
you could
annoying.
do that rubber band trick that I saw on TikTok.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. So I would say quality, a 2 out of 5 on this one. Looks like the picture, like a 3 out of 5. It looks cinched on their legs.
I don't know if it.
Oh no, it doesn't. It's loose.
Yeah, it is loose.
So
maybe
that's just a taller kid.
Yeah, or maybe I'm pretty sure that's Rain Disick.
But look, this has like all of this.
Oh
stitching.
yeah.
Oh.
A little bit of loose stitching right there. All right, next one, Bo.
That's it.
That's it.
So
what do you think? Did you get your free gift?
Oh yeah, I didn't bring that. That was a necklace.
Bo got this for free.
Yeah, I could pick.
Purchase.
So which one am I missing? A pair of tights, right?
I didn't see anything.
I thought I had one more that never came. I mean, we ordered this the beginning of May.
Yeah, this was a long time ago.
And this is now mid-June. And so we just were like, well, let's order it. I'm pretty sure.
I don't.
Did
But
I get
maybe
everything?
instead you accidentally got 2 pairs of those.
Maybe. So that's all of it.
Wait, no, I'm still looking. Well, this is completely different.
I think that's good then. Maybe I did get it all.
Well,
So
I don't know.
think?
What's this one? White 2 to 3 years, but you ordered that April 2nd, 2018.
I wouldn't have ordered something without you.
I know, so I'm saying it probably wasn't the same thing.
What do you think?
I think, okay, I've ordered so much from Wish, and I feel like this ended up way better than anything I've seen
So
on
baby
Wish.
quality, I think it's good, but it's not worth that.
Yeah, the
amount
kind of shipping. You guys could go to Old Navy and get all this stuff.
Yeah.
Except, I mean, some of this stuff is really cute I haven't seen before, like at a shop. I haven't seen this dress at a shop before.
She has this literal dress.
From where?
I'm gonna, I don't know, I'll send a picture to you.
All right, thanks.
Carter's, I think.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on all of our social media pages. And we'll see you in our next video, which we've already filmed. It's a Wish haul, but I've got to edit it.
Oh yeah, it is a Wish haul, so you're gonna get 2 Wish hauls.
2
but it's
Wish
us
hauls.
trying on clothes.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Maybe.